Hello, konnichiwa minasan. This is Trilingual Japanese Sensei. In this playlist, we are going to learn about basic vocabularies in Japanese. I think it's better if you could refer to my previous videos about Japanese language introduction and hiragana tutorial pinned at the right top of this video. Part 2 deals about colors in Japanese. The first one is ao. Ao. Ao means blue. The second one, aka. Aka. Aka means red. The third one, Midori. Midori. Midori means green. The fourth one, Kuro. Kuro. Kuro means black. The fifth one, Shiro. Shiro. Shiro means white. The sixth one, Kiiro. Kiiro. Kiiro means yellow. The seventh one, Shiro. Shiro. Shiro means brown. The eighth one, Pinku. Pink means pink color. The ninth one, orange. Orange means orange color. The 10th one, Murasaki. Murasaki. Murasaki means purple. The 11th one, Mizuiro. Mizuiro. Mizuiro means light blue. The 12th, Hiro. Hiro. Hiro means grey color. The 13th, Kimidori. Kimidori. Kimidori means light green. I believe this video is informative and helpful for the beginners. Please subscribe to Trilingual Japanese Sensei channel and enable the bell icon to get the regular updates. Please reach out in the comment section if you have any doubts. Happy learning. Mite kurete arigatou.